Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Archero 2 and log out of your account. So, if you've been trying to find the logout button but can't, yeah, I've got you covered. So here's the thing, Archero 2 doesn't have a direct logout button inside the game settings. Instead, you need to manage it through Google Play Games. First, open the Google Play Store, search for Google Play Games, and install it if you haven't already. Once installed, open Google Play Games and sign in using the same Google account you used for Archero 2. Now, tap the three-dot icon at the top right corner. Then, select Settings from the menu, scroll all the way down, and tap Change Account for Games. You'll see a list of games connected to your Google account. Find Archero 2, tap Change, and then select Sign Out. Now, close Archero 2 completely and open it again. When it launches, you'll see the main menu asking you to pick an account. That means you've successfully signed out. And that's it. That's how you sign out of Archero 2 and log out of your account. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.